In this course, we will explore how you can come up with a high converting creative for your business or clients. Canva is an easy to use design tool that allows you to create any design creative in minutes without having to spend lots of money on a designer or waiting for long hours and days before getting your designs ready. Canva differs from other existing graphic tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, CorelDRAW, which requires you to have a deep knowledge of all these tools before you'll be able to work with them. Even if you're new to design or design is not your thing, it will only take you a few hours to get started with Canva. Did I tell you that you can design absolutely anything with Canva? Either a simple logo, a business card, infographic, flyers, presentations, social media, graphics, and lots more. Now, why Canva? Canva will help us help you save a lot of money. You don't have to spend on designers, and it gives you an already made designs that can help you do whatever you want to do. So let's get started on how to churn out these high converting creatives without having to pay a designer or spend hours waiting for your designs to be ready. Thank you.